electronic device. Tonight, we're going to take a look, well, today, we're going to take a look at what's going on with uranium and our uranium squeeze-upple. But first, I got to give a shout out to the back-to-back WNBA champions, the Aces of Las Vegas. They've done a very, very good job. Asia Wilson, MVP. It's been a wonderful year for the Aces, and Becky Hammond, their coach, legendary Becky Hammond. There, all the ladies. They had injuries. The point guard was down. And Stokes, a couple others were kind of banged up, but they made it through it. And congratulations to the Aces. All right, that takes care of that. The Aces are number one. Uh, as you know, ladies and gentlemen, we take a look at baby knockouts, and I hope you're seeing this screen. I'm in here. I'm trying, ladies and gentlemen. Let me run through this real quick, and then we'll talk about it here in a second. But as you can see, gold, silver, uranium, crypto on the boxing gloves. You guys ever notice that? See it up close there? Uh, you can find my books on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook under Mickey D, DEE, and you will get you will have a great time. What is uranium right now, ladies and gentlemen? Uranium right now is trading at over 71. 71 and a quarter is the ask, ladies and gentlemen. We're over that 70 again. Remember, when are we going to sell officially and take our first profits? We're going to sell on a $5 to $10 spike over $60. Now, we said this when uranium was under $30. So this is where we're looking to take a little bit off the table here. That's officially our first sale. Now, I know a lot of you have sold already because we were in so early, and you've bought and sold and bought and sold, and you made a lot of money, which is a very, very good thing because you read the books, How to Invest in Uranium Now. You read also Marijuana Today, Vanadium and Uranium Tomorrow, Companies to Get In Early, Hold, and Grow Rich. And of course, you picked up Paladin at 3, 4 cents, 5 cents. You picked up these companies now, our African Uranium Super Trade companies. You picked up, the companies that are leading the way right now at, the next gens of the world at under 50 cents and stuff. You've done an outstanding job. But this is where we are right now, ladies and gentlemen. When we look at some of the stocks, we look at our leader here, Cameco. Cameco right now, we said Cameco is going to be a really, really great leader in this uranium bull market. Um, Cameco is, you remember we said the stocks were going to go down. We lost the 13-day. The black here is the 13-day. The red is the 48-day. Right? We lost the black here, the 13-day, and we were trading sideways on that 48-day, but looks like we popped up a little bit today as Cameco at midday is up over 2%. So things are looking good for Cameco right now, and we love that. Let's take a look here at Energy Fuels, another of our leaders. Things are a little slow today. UUUU, ladies and gentlemen, it is also popping up over the 48-day. So it looks like I asked the question in a video last week or the week before, will the uranium stocks hold their 48-day moving average? And it looks like so far they're holding on. Energy Fuels is up 3.8% today. So it's doing well. It's holding its own also. What about Next Gen here as we check these out midday? So things can change real fast in a hurry in this business, as you guys know. Um, we're looking here also. Next Gen wants to pop over its 48-day moving average, and it wants to head north. Also, it's up 3.3% today. So midday, and we'll see how that goes. Let's check out favorite Denison mines. It is also a favorite. Things are a little slow. Just bear with me. Bear with me. A new program. Denison Mines right now is doing very well. Denison also right in that area. Denison wants to pop over as indicated by the green engulfing candlesticks today. Denison's up roughly 2% today. Also, what about uh, Uranium Energy, UEC? Let's take a look at them here for a second. These things are going a little slow tonight. Today, rather midday. Uh, in America, it's midday. Things are going slow. It also, UEC has held up really well. It's riding the 13-day, and it looks like it wants to continue to ride the 13-day moving average. Also, so things are looking good. Uranium Squeezuple is on target. Everything is looking, you know, fantastic. We're kind of bouncing off those moving averages. No harm, no foul. The uranium squeeze up is on time. Ladies and gentlemen, a segue over to a couple of notes here on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as we said, it's in the sweet spot between the Bitcoin is between uh, the 6 to 9 months from that sweet spot of when it dives down on us and then comes back up here before the halvening. Prior performance is not indicative of future performance, but this is best as we can gauge it. We do have a play out there. We have a pick out there in the newsletter, and we're looking to accumulate that over this time now before the halvening. We've done exceptionally well with this trade through the years, ladies and gentlemen. And in the last halvening, we got those stocks well below $1, and they went to $50 and $60 for us. So we did very, very well. Ladies and gentlemen, also segue over to gold and silver. With what's going on right now in the war and all the misinformation and this, that, and the other thing, that safe haven play of gold and silver maybe on the board there, along with Bitcoin, maybe on the board here. Our other trade, lithium, is it's a waiting see right now. We do have some baby knockouts that we're accumulating right now, but it's still a waiting see with lithium, ladies and gentlemen. So we will see how things go. Uh, Junior, this is for you. Uh, Dad, you better do this, you better do that, or this. Ladies and gentlemen, the stocks are out there. They're in the books. Um, you know, I'll be doing shows, and we'll just see how things rock and roll. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week.